Most humans are awake when the sun's out and asleep when the moon's up, but that doesn't mean every animal does the same as us. Today I'm going to be telling you what time of day certain animals are awake and what they're called. First up, crepuscular. Crepuscular means an animal that is active at twilight. Two examples of crepuscular animals are wolves and deer. Next up are diurnal animals. Diurnal animals are animals that are awake during the day, so when the sun is out, they are also out. Humans are diurnal animals. So are rabbits and giraffes. Next are nocturnal animals. Nocturnal animals are animals that are active during the night. Examples of nocturnal animals are owls and bats. Next, subterranean animals. Subterranean animals are animals that live underground. The time of day doesn't affect them, so they're up whenever they feel like it. An example of a subterranean animal is the mole. Lastly are aquatic animals. Every aquatic animal is different. The time of day does affect how they live. During the day, the sun heats the top of the water up, thus causing all the fish to move to the top of the water to get the heat. During the night, the water cools down, thus making the fish go to the bottom of the water, where it is already warm during the day. So fish could be considered diurnal animals, but they're all different. An example of aquatic animals are dolphins and fish.